girare andare. Prima ti join kratta da skotten. Bastard. Pagal kida banda hai? Yeah, phone sitte road जाने का picture भेजना है ना.
And bus Batman near.
Length is the wider or lengthwise जितना सारी.
Call us on 0330 174 1374. Crombie Wilkinson Solicitors, always by your side. Want to find out why so many Mulgrave property home buyers are moving from York to Pocklington? Clue. A beautiful market town, location only 32 minutes away from York at incredibly low prices. Our brand new designer show home is now open, with prices starting from under £180,000. To book your viewing, call 0333 370 2505 or visit Mulgrave Properties.
Oh, fuck's sake. Daft bastard. Look at that, eh? Yeah, what a fucking...
Oh wow, that red car cut off.
Well, look how old they are. What are... Go!
What the?
You're in a roundabout, lady. What the fuck are you doing?
Whoa, and they hit the curb?
Does she need to...
What are you doing?
Like, you go! It's a roundabout! Like, lady! What the fuck are you doing? Do not pass her, because she's gonna...
What are you...
That was fucking close.
What the fuck are you doing? Jesus, dumb bitch.
Who's a woman?
Ah, of course she has plates that says nervous on it.
It didn't feel like what we were building up to. It was almost sort of...
Police officer with a taser! Show me your hands now!
A vehicle making off A419 northbound, A419 northbound. UJ, permission to go into tactical phase.
Yes, yes.
ERA low, safe, continuing. 24-9 northbound now.
DJ to note the subject vehicle has a rear side space saver tyre. Roundabout wrong side. DRA momentarily high. Back down to low. Direction Highworth, safety continued. Speed 70. Honda North roundabout. Roundabout off-siding. Yeah, QJ coming up to the roundabout. White Hart. Stand by. Yeah, off. Towards Gable Cross. Stand by. Red light. DRA high momentarily. Coming up to Gable Cross. 8420. Approaching Gable Cross roundabout. Speed 70 miles an hour. Red lights into Sainsbury's. Now the truck stop at the back of Sainsbury's.
You've got eyes off the pen.
Impossible 3, yes, 1 out running.
Passengers, keep the commentary. We'll try and get the dog to you.
Yeah, I'm single crew, so I'll do what I can. He's currently in a field. He's just fallen over. He's going to come out through a hedgerow. Stand by.
Police officers with a dog, come out or we'll release the dog. Police officers with a taser, show me your hands now. You, show me your hands. Do not move. Do not move.